What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. It is a dreary, rainy day in Pennsylvania, like always this year, because it's just beautiful weather. Typical Pennsylvania day. It's not an awesome day unless it's raining. So what we're doing today is we're gonna go pick up something very special for the Camaro. And I got some bad news on the Cobalt, but that's gonna be in another video. So just keep that in the back of your mind. So let's do it. So you're probably wondering what the part or parts that I'm going for are for the Camaro. And I guess basically what it is new wheels and tires. And I'm really actually excited for this, but at the same time, I bought them at the most ridiculous and dumb time possible because obviously it's raining and super muddy outside. And not only that, but it just snowed like 9 inches like a week and a half ago. So now all the salt and everything is on the road. So this was just piss poor planning on my part, but it is what it is, I guess. And I don't think I'm gonna sell the stock tires like I did with the Ram and everything. I think I'm gonna hold on to the stock wheels and tires because the tires are actually really good yet, and I could use these for winter wheels and everything if I really choose. So that's the plan right now. Why am I taking the Camaro to go get wheels and tires, you might ask? Again, really stupid and piss poor, but something is messed up with the truck and the alignment and everything is really bad and off. And I was in Scranton over the weekend and on my way back home. Basically, long story short, what had happened was the whole inner side of my driver's side front tire is now bald because the wheel actually has a little bit of camber to it. So it's really kind of a disappointment. The rest of the tires are actually fine on the truck, so it really sucks that I gotta buy a whole new set of tires for that thing. If I'd have known that, I probably wouldn't have bought wheels and tires for the Camaro, but I really don't trust driving it that far. So, and then I gotta travel about an hour to get these wheels and tires. So we're gonna cram them in the Camaro. Should be a great time. Perfect, 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 perfect. So this is what happens when your truck's out of commission. Check that out. Wheels upon wheels in the back. I don't know how well you can actually see in there, but there is 3 wheels in the back seat here. I got 1 in the trunk, and these wheels are pretty cool, I must say. And there are different, I do have different tire sizes in the rear than I do in the front, so I got to make sure that I put them exactly how they were. But yeah, it was a tight squeeze, but we managed to be able to do it. And I wanted to get a little bit more footage last night, but unfortunately it got dark and couldn't really do anything. And FedEx freight was closing at 6:30. We got there like 6:15, so I didn't really have time to do a whole lot. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get these all out of the car, get them figured out, and throw them on. And I honestly think it's gonna look really nice. It's just gonna give it that offset. Black wheels, I don't know what it is, just black on anything, if you ask me, just looks good. So let's do it. Perfect, perfect. And boom, there you have it. It is getting very dark, so this probably won't even pick it up, unfortunately. But we have them all on. Let me get a flashlight out here. There you can kind of see what's going on. and they look really nice. Turned out amazing. I didn't honestly think it would pull the car together this well and make it look as good as it does, but it is just really making this thing pop. Like I said, I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up, so I do apologize for that, but definitely happy with the way it looks. It just really makes that car pop compared to having just silver wheels and stock wheels at that. So it's definitely making it pop. I'll try and get some pictures, or I'll actually get some film before I post this video. I'll get some better in the daylight. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. I'm about to go inside because it is cold out here, but it was well worth it. I'll put the link where I got these. I think I can put a link. It's Mr. Wheel Deal. Be sure to check them out, because pretty much any of my wheel and tire setups, that's where I get them from. And they are really easy to deal with, really good prices and everything, and that's where these came from. So definitely check them out. We got a dog down there stalking right there. So hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day.